Hello friends, one of my viewers asked me how to improve communication skill. Friends, it's very easy. If you follow three techniques, so definitely within couple of days you will start speaking in English very confidently. Earlier, if I talk about me, earlier I was not very fluent in speaking. I was also get hesitant while speaking. But nowadays what I have felt like yes, I'm very comfortable to talk in English language. So you can also be very comfortable if you really want to speak in English. So just think like it's a language, okay, and you want to learn a language, you just want to command over a language. So don't see English just like a subject. If you see it just like a subject, so I don't think like you will get confidence while talking. But instead of thinking it is just like a subject, if you are thinking it like a language and you want to command over this language, so definitely within couple of days you will start speaking this language. What is strategy, my friends, you have to follow? Just in my opinion, just follow conversation rule. Means what I want to speak, whenever you get a chance, like if you are going outside or you are in your with your family members or you are sitting with your friends, so instead of talking in Hindi or the language which you are speaking, if you follow like English language, so definitely you will get command in this language. I have also done this kind of activity, and what I have felt like yes, day by day I was getting improvement in my earlier days when I was not fluent in speaking, when I did not know how to speak in English. And friends, the second thing is like you can record your voice. If you are sitting alone, so you can take any topic and you can practice of that topic. Just start speaking on a particular topic and record your voice, and after some time just listen your voice, listen your speech, and what mistake you did, you have to, what mistake you made, you have to correct those mistakes, and again you have to speak on the same topic, and you have to rectify your mistake, and you have to go ahead. Okay, so this is the second thing you have to do. And the third thing is you have to follow the step which I am telling you, like recap your day. Okay, just recap your day of what you did from morning to evening, and it's a very good exercise of English speaking practice. And friends, I think like if you follow three techniques per day, so definitely within couple of months you will start speaking in English and you will get confidence. So let's meet in another video, and let's see whether you are improving your communication skill or not. Bye.